The Supreme Court, in a unanimous decision, upheld an FDA rule that would make it impossible to get flavored vapes. During the first year of the Biden administration, the FDA came out with a rule basically stating that flavored vapes would not be allowed access to our market. They stated that these flavored vapes were too appealing to minors and would encourage underage smoking. Now, this was remanded back to the appeals court for further review, leaving some uncertainty on the future of this ruling. Public health groups hailed this decision as a win in their fight against youth nicotine addiction. And there is stats to back that up, with over 19% of high schoolers saying that they have vaped, which is much higher than the amount that have tried tobacco and cigarettes. And I just have to point out the obvious here. If you're talking about strawberry peach vapes that give you the nicotine that cigarettes would have versus smelling like a cigarette, of course they're going to pick the vapes. And I am all for restricting the rights of people 17 and under to get their hands on alcohol, tobacco, drugs, etc. However, I do think adults should be able to buy these things, and just because they're attractive to people under the age of 18 shouldn't restrict those from over the age of 18 to be able to legally purchase them. I think, like everything else that you make completely illegal, is just going to lead to these underage people as well as of age people buying these from other unreliable sources and getting contaminants in these vapes. And then those contaminants will lead directly to adverse health conditions, adverse health reactions, and it's all for nothing at that point. I mean, making marijuana, for example, completely illegal for everyone hasn't stopped people from under the age of 17 going out and buying that and getting high with that either. I think it's long past time that Americans and America as a whole realizes the war on drugs is lost and the drugs won.